The new mid-range smartphone from Realme called Realme 16T is now official in India, featuring a unique built-in selfie mirror on the rear camera module, allowing users to capture better selfies using the primary camera sensor. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 16T features a tall 6.81-inch HD+ display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 16T 5G sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX852 sensor, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Realme UI 7.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 224 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 16T 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 34,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Green, Starlight Red, and Starlight Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 27th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 16T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.